The Maytag Dishwasher E4F8 indicates that the floater switch has been activated, typically due to issues such as overfilling or poor installation of the appliance. To resolve this issue, allowing a drain sequence to run is often the first step, as these sequences are automatic and can help alleviate overfilling. It is essential to keep the appliance plugged in and uninterrupted during this process. If the issue persists, correcting the installation may be necessary, which involves turning off the water and power supply to the appliance from the external supply. Points: if the water supply cannot be disconnected, it is crucial not to unplug the appliance and to keep its door shut. Checking the water connections under the appliance and tightening the valve if necessary may also be required. In some cases, removing the kick plate, disconnecting the float switch from the drip tray, and catching any trapped water in the tray may be needed, after which the float switch setup should be reinstalled. If the error code remains after trying these solutions, contacting support may be the next step to resolve the issue.